Welcome to Alikare and I'm Thea. In this video, I'm just going to give you a bit of an update to why I haven't been posting for so long, 3 weeks to be exact. Well, nothing really, just busy working on something beautiful. One of what I was working on, I already mastered it and it's out and ready for sales, which is my wax line. So I do make honey wax, chocolate wax, and sugar wax, and also my beauty scrub. So scrub to exfoliate your skin and all homemade, done by me. And I was working on that. Also 2 book. I've been writing 2 book for the past 2 years, one, and I'm now working on a next one, which is completed also. It's a workbook of how to start a beauty business, step-by-step guide, about 15 different business ways you can start your beauty business, and that will be on Amazon soon. And also I'm trying to see if I can get it in bookstore locally in Jamaica. So I realized that many people in the beauty industry will start a course, whether it's an eyelash course, a braiding course, and they just do the course because they're maybe somewhat bored, or they feel like it's something that they want to get into. But after doing the course, they don't have the joy, the drive, or the business mindset to get it off the ground and get it booming. And so I've come up with this workbook that can help you guys to get successful, and I think I have enough experience over the years to bring something to the table to help others. Now, one of the next thing why I stopped posting was just to take a step back again to look on my channel. If you notice on the channel which videos get the most views and is the one that is more exotic. Now, when I mean exotic, I mean like a massage video, a video telling you how to, deal with your, what I say, your personal intimacy life between you and your spouse. Those are the videos that really attract people on my channel, because I guess I do a mixture, and so my audience may be confused, so they are looking for those type of videos all the time, and if they don't see those videos, they don't click on the channel. Well, that's basically not reason why I put up those videos. When I used to put up massage videos and waxing videos, all the videos that you will see that get more views than just the normal hair care and nails and so forth, I do it because I do have a spa and I wanted the customer from it. It wasn't because I wanted money from YouTube for those videos. It's later on down in the channel when I realized that I can make an incentive from YouTube, then I start to gravitate to that. But main reason was to get customers. So to not focus fully on the channel, but to focus on building what I really want to establish with my personal life and my business, I had was to sometimes take step back, because I am what you would have called a one person gang, and so I have to do things in sequence, and I like to start something and finish it before move on. At least the channel is already in the making. It's just to upload videos and make sure the channel grow. So when I'm working on something, I will take a step back to work on what I'm working, and when that is finalized, I'll get back on board and go. If it is that is something that was more profitable than what I've expected, I would definitely wouldn't take the break and do what I'm doing. No, and I work, so I try to do stuff that don't overload myself. Now, with that said, with all the changes to the about the videos and the views on my channel, I am also coming up with a new shift to the channel. Now, it's not to say that you're not going to get everything that you used to get, but you will get more lifestyle videos from me and beauty videos than those videos. I will also still be doing those videos, but it will be on my Alikare exclusive that site. I've said that many times, but I think I need to elaborate more on it so people can go over there to watch those videos, if so be the case. But you will get more lifestyle videos about me, and I'm basically gonna put videos what I think my viewers are looking for, and a little bit more shift, whether it's fashion, more beauty, more makeup videos. I'm gonna specialize in more my kind of videos, and also still giving you your healthcare treatment. So I'm not gonna really change it of how things go, but for all those massage videos and spa videos that you guys are waiting to see, and something craving and something exotic, you have to go over to the site, which is Alikare exclusive. That site, it's only $15 per month to watch, and maybe I'll run a 6 month special for all who want to go over there to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and expect non-stop videos. I will start going with my live stream more often now. So I don't want to make any permanent promises, but just stay tuned for all the new subscribers that I've been getting. Oh man, I'm so grateful, because even when I'm not posting, the amount of subscribers I've been getting, I have to be grateful for it. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And this is Thea, so stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos. I'm gonna post the videos of how I did my hair. I did it myself. So guys, I hope you like it, and give me a like if you do, and comment below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Also, let me might I add, I do have a vlog channel, but I will start showing more of myself, what I do for myself and this channel. That's what I mean by lifestyle. Meaning I will do some fashion. I'll show my wardrobe, maybe how I do my makeup in the morning, my night routines. I will do most videos on here on this channel about my lifestyle, with the same beauty videos and with the same healthcare videos, but you will see less exotic massage videos on all of those videos. That is about lifestyle and your healthcare, because they're exotic and it's not pleasing to YouTube, which I would rather you go over to my exclusive that side. Subscribe over there just to keep me going, and incentive for me to be able to keep on upload. If you think the $15 is too much, comment below and tell me what you think you can afford to pay each month, whether it's $7 or $8 or $10. But remember, I have to pay the models to do the videos over on that side. So thank you so much, and please continue to support me.